Today on REz KIDz, we're outside and it snowed. We got, I don't even know how many inches. This morning it was actually more. Sun came out and it started melting already, but there's still quite a bit. There goes Araya. Tiana's over there. There's Junior. Zion. Junior, careful. You okay, June? Junior? Say hi. So we got this is our first snowfall for the year, right before Halloween. And Zion, come here, let me fix your hat. Okay, you got it? It started snowing yesterday around... What time did it start snowing yesterday, Daddy? Like in the morning? So it started snowing yesterday afternoon about 1 or 2. And then it was snowing all night. Woo, Junior! Oh! You okay? Come here, mister. You okay? What happened? Oh, you're okay. Spit it out. There you go. So yeah, it was snowing all night long. It was still snowing this morning. And then the weather had predicted that it was still supposed to snow all day today into tomorrow morning, tomorrow afternoon, but it actually stopped this morning and the sun came out, so that's good. Juju, careful. And there's Tiana with her dramatic self as usual. Hi, Sunny. You okay? Snow. Oh, you're dirty? Yeah, the snow.
Okay.
Hi, Sunny. Yeah, the snow, huh? The kids made a snowman. And luckily we got carrots in the fridge, so they made their snowman. Mariah? You cold? We're gonna go back inside in a little bit, okay? And then come here.
Frosty is swimming.
Gonna go back in. Yeah, that's his nose. That's his nose, Sunshine.
I want to eat carrot.
That's his nose. You gonna eat Frosty's nose?
I want to eat carrot.
Junior? Okay. Yeah, we're gonna go back in a little bit and have some hot chocolate, okay?
And nanny.
And candy. Whatever.
Mom.
Smelling pretty good, but it melted pretty quickly too. And there goes the garden. I forgot to pick the last of my chilies. And I had to take my tomatoes in to save them. My tomatoes bloomed really, really late this year, so.
This is the hat.
I don't have a hat for him. He looks cool though.
Now race back. Go.
Thank you watching REz KIDz TV. Bye. Later.
Come here, mister. You okay? What happened?